Ever wonder which payment processors real supplement brands actually trust? Picking the wrong one could mean random shutdowns, even when your sales are 100% legitimate. Here's a quick research step. Look for case studies, industry articles, or testimonials from supplement or nutraceutical brands. Many times, you will find which processors they use or recommend. If you don't see specific processors listed, check brand websites directly. Look at their partners or case studies pages to see who handles their payments. This method helps you spot patterns. Processors that keep showing up are often the ones trusted by established supplement brands. This kind of manual search gives you clues about who the serious supplement brands rely on, but it can take time to verify everything yourself. That's where EasyPay Direct stands out. They are trusted by leading entrepreneurs and established companies, including Grant Cardone, Frank Kern, and Digital Marketer, because they specialize in high risk verticals like supplements and nutraceuticals. Their accounts are fully underwritten upfront, keeping your payments stable even as you scale. One quick note from their FAQs. Nutraceutical merchant accounts are built for supplement businesses that need secure, compliant payment processing. And EasyPay Direct handles that from day one. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can see why top supplement brands work with them and check if your business qualifies. When proven brands trust a processor, it's usually for good reason. With EasyPay Direct, your supplement business gets that same dependable foundation. The sign up links right there in the description when you are ready.